Tech Boom Incorporated presents Educational Technology. The easiest way to incorporate technology into your classroom lessons. Remember when our biggest classroom struggle was locating enough pencils? Or remember when this was the best we had to offer? Not necessarily endorsed by Zach Morris. Wearable technology, passive data cache, or active aware user. Will our students be ready for this? Are students prepared for augmented reality? Will they be able to share 3D versions of their own imaginations? Is the future evolving faster than our imaginations? We can now create robots that mimic human expressions. And you know it's legit because it was invented by a Russian. Technology education can help. Want to see your students engaged? Yes! Need to feel that excitement in your classroom? Yeah! Tired of the same old, same old? Yes, 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 yes! Feeling overwhelmed? Can you do any of the following? Type, use email, think, press Control and another key at the same time, for advanced users only, upload a file? If you answered yes to any of these, technology education is for you. Side effects include higher work completion, less paper, happy students, better grades, and in some rare cases, life-changing connections. Please consult your doctor for any projects lasting longer than 4 hours.